This must be a Christmas show, is it?
Uh-huh.
I can tell. Jingle bells.
Uh-huh. Actually, it doesn't have a name. Ticket.
Oh, I thought I already gave you my ticket. I'm wearing my fancy shoes with the socks.
Lauren's a performer.
Lauren, you better get over to the show.
It's over.
That's it?
That's the show? We bought tickets for that. We gotta have to sing for us.
Did Lauren do her part? Lauren?
Lauren needs to
We
do
have
maybe
different pots.
pots. What's a pot?
Parts.
What's your part, Lauren?
A hippopotamus for Christmas, maybe.
Christmas. No, that's
Sing
not
it.
her. You don't sing. It's one with no song.
That's Dana's, Lauren's part. You let her do her part.
I'm on a hippopotamus. I'm on a hippopotamus. Christmas. I'm on a hippopotamus. Christmas.
Yay!
Woohoo!
Great job.
Thank you, everybody.
Are you gonna bow for us? Because the show's over. You're supposed to hold hands and bow.
Ready? Yeah.
Hold hands and bow low.
I did. I did. You have to hold my
Give it
hand.
them.
I did. Off stage.
Our little plumber.
Now you have to give the tickets back. Ticket, please. Oh, I dropped the ticket. Hey, please. We have a special a special can back here that we use for this. I wish we had a real life can. Oh, ooh. Was that a video or a picture? Lauren, get on there. Lauren. That was just entertainment. I want to see that, Daddy. Ticket.
Thank you.
Ticket. No, Mom's.
Yeah, that's Mom's.
Hey, Dad.
All right, that was a great show, girls. Thanks.